Welcome to the shop. My name's Matt. I own Matthew Motors here. Decided to make a YouTube channel, so today I'm just going to show you guys around, show you about a couple projects we got working on. We just finished up this Corvette here in the background here. Those things that still had the original gearbox and all that fun stuff on, so we put the new style gearbox on and tie rods, all that fun stuff. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take you guys inside. Got a cool old neon style sign there, so I'm gonna take you guys inside and show you around. So here we are. Got a little showroom up front here. Got some wheels, tires on display, some cool wheel displays in that. We got merch for sale. We got hats. These here we comes in a decal, like window decal. We got mugs, we got beanies, we got koozies. Plus we got a whole bunch of t-shirts, hoodies, all that fun stuff. Got a little weight room in here. This back here is my office, which, excuse the clutter, but this here is my office here in the back. There's the old C10, if you guys ever seen that around. All right, come out here. This here's like the parts office. Again, got all the cool signs and stuff hung up, and a bunch of mail that I need to go through. But here we go, back in the shop here. We got Farm Fresh up on the lift. We're going to be cutting out these wheel wells a little bit more so we can fit a bigger tire. We got a 27 on there now. We'd like to go up to a 29 and a half, so we get a little more wheel speed. Go with a little wider tire too, get a little more traction. So that's what we're going to be working on today. We just got back from the Blue Suede Cruise out at Norwalk, and also Rock and Race out at 42. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Over here on the other lift, we got a 69 Mustang that we're doing a full restoration on. We just got back from paint and body work getting done. So we started putting all the front end pieces together, all brand new pieces, all that fun stuff. Got boxes full of old parts. And we just got the motor in as well. Motor and trans. So that'll be a pretty cool project. We're looking forward to getting this thing going on the road. The customer just wanted like a driver, so we just freshened up the motor for him, and gonna put a nice modern interior in it, and it should be a nice car when it's done. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the shop. Of course, you know, we got some drag racing here on the TV. Why not? So yeah, just want to show you guys the shop. I'm gonna try my best to keep making videos of what we got going on in here. We kind of work on everything. Main focus is gonna be like this car here, Farm Fresh, but we do a lot of lift kits and work on a lot of classic cars. We don't really do a lot of the everyday repair and maintenance. We let all the little shops, all the local shops, do all that kind of stuff. So but yeah, just want to show you guys the shop, and hope you guys like what you see. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we'll get some more videos out here soon. All right.